What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do a weekly review on the SPY. Couple things I want to point out. So 2022 was this downtrend here, but we're finally starting to see some kind of life. So if we do some basic trend lines here, I'm gonna make this trend line here. Boom, boom, boom. Right there, right? So we see this is the first time it's peaking out. So the way you make a trend line is every time it rejects the most, that's where the significant trend line is. So now we're in 2023 and we see that we're breaking out. Now, aside from trend lines, you also have price levels. Price levels are just as significant as trend lines. So check this out. Horizontal lines, right? So we have this trend line here, pretty significant, right? Then we have another one, maybe like here. This is the one that I actually want to talk about. So you can make trend lines in all the places where something significant happened. Basically, right here, you can see something significant happened, right here as well. And then you have this 408 level, 409 level that SPY comes into, gets rejected. Right here, we had strong momentum going up. It broke through, hit the trend line, got rejected, right? So then we came, tested again, got rejected. Over here, tested again, got rejected. Over here, tested again, got rejected. So then there's uptrends, downtrends, and then there's sideways action, which are considered ranges. Like this is a range, this is a range. And basically what a range is a pause to either continue to downside or basically change the direction of the trend. So in this case here, this is a daily chart. So every single candle is a day. If you look at this, you can see that this 408 level, move this down a little bit. Right, this 408 level. So we came back up here. It was ranging there. Then we saw a hard sell-off. Then we had strong momentum coming back up. Then a hard sell-off over here. Over here, it touched it, and then we had a gap down, and then a sell-off. Again, we're going up right here. Then we see a test right here, a test right here. And then we had this range here. We thought we were going to continue down, but we didn't. So this was the first higher low. If you look at here, right? Zoom out a little bit. Show you this higher low. So lower low, lower low. So SPY was consistently making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And this is the first higher low. Now, what happens? This week was pretty bullish, right? Everybody would agree this week was pretty bullish. We have right here the breakout of the range. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles of bullish action. This one's red, but it's still bullish because it has a higher high and a higher low. And then we have a reclaiming candle here that was green to let you know that the bullish action is still in. Now right here, we have a pause, right? 6 days and then a pause. So basically, this is something that I'm really not supposed to share as like inside stuff, but 6 days is an average true move, not ATR. Average true move is the amount of days that it usually moves bullish before it takes a pause. So right here, we see 6 days up and then it pauses. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's above the trend line. That's positive, right? But it already ran its bullish course, and we have this 408 level here that it tested multiple times. So today I was looking around on the internet and I see some people saying, oh, swing calls, swing calls. How can you swing calls in a market where there's enough evidence to let you know that over 408, it needs to close above 408 and show bullish price action above 408 before you can swing anything? Because history has shown us that at this level, it continues to get rejected. does not mean that it's going to get rejected, but that's the most probable thing that's going to happen. So therefore, you need to wait until this price action comes above here and then pauses so that you can get involved and continue to the upside. And then you have this here as the next resistance, and then up here the next resistance. But it's just craziness to me. And I seen that a lot of people took the LCID, right? And then I seen someone saying, oh, I'm gonna short this. But it's like, look, check this out. This has had bearish order flow for the entire year, right? And then this, look at this volume down here. Massive, massive volume. It's incredible to think that on the day that it has the most bullish action in the entire year, somebody's gonna go on a Discord somewhere and start saying, let's short this. How can you even do that? Like, are you scalping? And even then, you should always and only be trading in the direction of the bigger trend and time frames. It's like, this is how I know that a lot of people don't put in the dedication that they need to put into the trades that they're taking. And it's scary to know that there's a lot of people out there just taking calls and taking signals from people who don't put in their due diligence. But these are just some of the ideas. I really came here to talk about the SPY and let you know that it needs to be over 408. In addition to the 6 days, we also have this bull flag here. And if you just look at the simple pattern, the size of the pole is the size of the move, and it just completed the size of the move. Is that a coincidence that we got a huge sell-off at the same level at the end of the day? No, it's not. So let's see if we can actually break and hold above 408 to continue the bullish price action in the SPY. And maybe if we can get above this 408, 410 area and hold, then maybe we'll have a bullish year for 2023. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Subscribe if you like the video, and if you have any tickers you want me to take a look at and give my opinion, not financial advice, but just give my ideas and what I think is going on with those tickers. Just leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.